In this video we will be walking through the steps to descale the Delonghi Eletta Cappuccino. You will only need 2 pieces of equipment, some descaling solution and a container to collect the water. We will be using Delonghi's own descaling solution, but you can use whichever product you prefer. To start descaling your machine, press the menu escape button on the panel. The panel should show a descale message. Press OK to start the descaling process. Start by removing your drip tray and empty out the used coffee grounds container. Your drip tray will also likely to be full of dirty water if it isn't cleaned often, so be sure to empty this too. Once emptied, place them back into the machine. The display panel will not show an Add Descaler message. Using the descaler, add around 50 ml to the water tank. Delonghi's own descaling solution has 5 uses which are indicated by the number on the side of the bottle. Add plain water up to the B line on the water tank and place the tank back into the machine. Place your bowl under the coffee spout and press OK to start the descaling process. You should start to see dirty water coming out of the coffee spouts. This may take up to 10 minutes to complete. Empty out your container and refill the water tank with just water this time to rinse the machine. Once everything is back in position, press OK on the panel to start rinsing. This again may take 10 minutes. Once complete, fill your water tank back up and your machine will be ready to start using again.